If you want to save time and automate your email workflow, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to auto-send emails with Gmail and N8n in a simple step-by-step process. This is perfect if you want to send automatic notifications, welcome emails, reminders, follow-ups, or any other message without manually writing and sending emails every single time. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy automation guides. Let's jump right into it. First, open your N8n dashboard. Once you're inside, click Create Workflow to start a brand new automation. This is where we'll build the email sending process from scratch. Now you need to add a trigger node. A trigger is what starts the workflow, and N8n gives you several good options depending on your use case. For example, you can use a schedule trigger if you want the email to send at a specific time or on a recurring basis. You can use a webhook if another app needs to trigger the email. You can use a Google Sheets trigger if you want the workflow to react when a row changes, or you can use a form trigger if you want to send emails after someone submits a form. Choose the trigger that best fits your automation goal. After that, add a Gmail node right after the trigger node. This Gmail node is what will actually send the email for you. Next, connect your Gmail account using Google OAuth. N8n will prompt you to sign in and authorize access, so make sure you choose the correct Google account that you want to use for sending emails. Once the connection is complete, you're ready to configure the email itself. In the Gmail node, set the resource to message and the operation to send. This tells N8n that you want to create and send a new Gmail message. Now enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Then type your subject line, which should clearly explain what the email is about. After that, write your message content in the body field. You can also choose the email type depending on whether you want plain text or HTML formatting. If you want a simple message, plain text is fine. If you want a more professional looking email with formatting, use HTML. Once everything is filled in, it's time to test your automation. Click Execute. Step to run the workflow and send a test email. Check the recipient inbox to confirm that the message arrived correctly and that the subject and body look the way you want. If something doesn't look right, go back and adjust the fields before testing again. And that's it. You've now built a simple N8n workflow that can auto-send emails with Gmail. Once this is set up, you can expand it later by adding data from forms, spreadsheets, CRMs, or other apps to make your emails even smarter and more automated. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.